Hi all. In this video we will tell you how use Swampcoin Discord wallet bot. This bot is one of mobile solutions for using Swampcoin. I'll be showing Discord app on Windows desktop, but it will work similarly on mobile devices. So, you must have the Discord app installed on your mobile device or PC desktop. You must also have account registered. If you're not yet member of Swampcoin Discord community, you can find link to Discord server on Swampcoin Club website. So go to website. Then click communities in main menu. At page that opens, click to main Discord community. Click on accept invite. And join Swampthing Discord server. Then go to the verification section and click on verify. Verification will be completed, and all server sections will appear. Then go to Wallet Bot Guide section. At the beginning of the first post, there will be link to Swamp Wallet Bot. Now I'll show you another way to find bot by searching by ID. On Swampcoin Club website, go to Mobile Wallet in main menu. At page that opens, select and copy Discord bot ID to clipboard. Then we go back to Discord app and paste it into the search field. And line with bot's name will immediately appear. Click there to it. And now wallet bot is found. But now we return to Wallet Bot Guide section, and click on Swamp Wallet Bot. Now we need write first personal message to bot of any content. Let it be 111. Now that we have active chat with bot, we can write commands using /symbol. Enter /symbol and click on bot's avatar. And we see list of all commands that bot can execute. At first, to register in bot wallet, execute command registration. Bot replied registration completed successfully. And now we have our bot wallet address for receiving coins. Now our balance equals 0. Check balance again, enter command, my balance. Then enter command my address, to request address. Copy address to clipboard. Now let's send some swamp coins to it. Go to app of our main wallet, and send 25 swamp coins to our bottom address. Return to Discord app. For your information, in Wallet Bot Guide section you can see description to all commands of this bot. After some time, check our balance in bot wallet. Enter command, my balance. And in bot's response, see that coins received successfully. After some time, bot sends message about receiving funds.
Now we will create another address in our main wallet.
and transfer coins there from our bot wallet, using command send to. Enter command send to. Then paste address and summa of coins. Let it be 10 coins. And press enter. Bot responded and output TX, transaction identifier. Which means transaction was created successfully. Next, we will return to main wallet and check receipt of coins. Yes. Transaction appeared, which means everything is working normally. So now you know how to send coins from bot wallet. To view transaction history, there is command with same name history. After some time, bot in response sends text file, in which are recorded transactions that were performed in our bot wallet. File contents, Discord can display in chat, which is quite convenient for monitoring wallet operation. Next, commands for working with address book. Address book is simple solution for saving addresses with some name. Each user can have an address book up to 20 entries. Execute command address book. Currently we have no entries, so bot will write that in response. Let's add contact using command address book add. Let it be one of addresses from our main wallet. In label field let name be MW4. Bot replied that contact was added successfully. At next, send coins to address which we just added to address book. Using command address book send. Enter label is MW4. And summa of coins. Let it be 4 coins. Bot responded and output TX, transaction identifier. Which means transaction was created successfully. Next, we will return to main wallet and check receipt of coins. Yes. Transaction appeared, which means everything is working normally. Check our balance. Enter command, my balance. We see that balance decreased by those amounts that we sent. Let's add second contact with another address from our main wallet. Label let be MW5. Bot replied that contact was added successfully. At next let's execute command address book. Currently we have 2 contact entries. These contact entries have ID 6 and 7. Let's delete first contact entry which has ID 6. For this, execute command address book del and enter 6. Bot replied that contact was deleted successfully. Next, command address book. Currently we have one contact with ID 7. So we have reviewed commands for working with address book. Moving on, let's consider command for getting private key to our address, which is called private key. Let's execute this command. Bot in response told us private key. It needs to be kept secret. With it, one can authorize in bot from another account. Also, with this key we can add to our local core wallet and use one address on 2 wallets at same time. Also authorize in bot wallets on other platforms, such as Telegram and web wallet. But about this I will tell in another video. Now let's consider commands lock amount and unlock amount, which control coin locking function. Coin locking is applied for protection from accidental spending. So execute command lock amount and enter amount. Let it be 3 coins. See that transaction to move to blocked storage has passed successfully. And then check balance of coins. In bot response see that 3 coins blocked. And now make unlocking of coins back to main balance. Execute command unlock amount. See that transaction was created successfully. And then check balance of coins. See that coins return to main balance. Next let's consider commands for working with optional addresses, such as optional addresses and gen address. Let's execute command optional addresses. In bot response we see that we still have no addresses yet. Let's create for example 3 addresses using command gen address. Execute command optional addresses. Now we see that 3 addresses have appeared for us. Each user can create up to 20 optional addresses. When receiving coins to optional address, coins are automatically forwarded to main address. When moving funds, symbolic fee is charged. Few more words about transaction fees. When you make outgoing transaction, small symbolic fee in amount of 0.00025 coin is charged. This fee goes only strictly to network, and not to wallet administration or something like that. Also fee is charged when locking and unlocking coins, and also during automatic movement of coins received on optional addresses to main address. For your information, you can see description to all commands in Wallet Bot Guide on Swampcoin Club website. And also you can ask any questions about working with wallet bots in official social networks. Links to it in description under video. Thanks for watching.